Welcome back, everybody. Have I got a new phone to show you? This is the Oppo Reno 7 Pro League of Legends Wild Rift Edition. And again, this combines both my loves of technology, phones, as well as League of Legends. And I couldn't be happier. This thing is absolutely amazing. I've got a bunch of official unboxing video I did with my daughter. We'll probably jump back and forth. But at the time, I only had this one camera set up and not this second camera. I wanted to get a couple of shots of closer up. I wanted to give you guys a really good look at what was in this package. Here's some of that video.
Hello everyone. Today, welcome to Devin's channel. I'm Amelia. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do. What do we do, Dad? What are we gonna unbox?
We're gonna unbox this. That's what we're doing today.
I know that.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm anxious to see.
Okay, well, we're gonna try to unbox it, and we're gonna try, I see a little bit of tape here. I'm gonna try as hard as I can to not ruin the box. It's gonna take a really long time. We'll have to speed this up and make this
time lapse this
time lapse.
So right after I clap, then you're gonna time lapse it. Yeah. So right after I say time lapse.
Yeah,
more
so that's
we got more than yeah.
So that is the big piece. At least we got it off of the top here. I'll work on this later so we can hopefully get the full box intact.
Okay, let's get rid of this.
Okay, are you ready?
Mm-hmm. It's a rocket. It's actually a rocket. What is
This,
can I show them?
yeah, be very careful,
This
is
is heavy.
a Jinx rocket. This is
What's
the
this?
rocket. All right, so here is a quick look at the actual rocket. It's got some text all the way around. It's got the face on it. Looks incredible. Got some Oppo and League of Legends Wild Rift branding on it. Looks awesome. It's definitely plastic, but it feels very sturdy. Comes with this really nice base to stand it in, to display it. You know this is going on my shelf. Is branded again with Oppo and League of Legends Wild Rift. Looks super nice. So that just sits there. That's just some of the extras.
Let's see what's in here. Like a belt.
Yeah, so this is...
Why is it a belt with chain on it? It's actually a belt with a chain on it.
Yup.
Why?
I don't know. I'm guessing that's part of the... You can carry it with this probably.
Oh,
it's like a,
wait. This might go around it.
Yeah, it's like puts a thing on it so you carry it like a purse if you wanted to, I suppose.
Woo!
See, there's a little clip there. It's the
Wait,
rocket.
it says ha 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 on the rocket. Ha ha ha.
What's in it?
I don't know.
Well, let's open it. Turn it the other way to unlock it.
It's unlocked. Is there anything in here? Did you actually didn't know that it unlocked?
Adorable. A little Jinx Poro.
I might be able to put this on my backpack. So cool! Okay, can I open it? I actually didn't know that it Oh, sticker.
You just take the top off.
Is it? Wait, hold on. Let's go on this one.
Okay.
It's a phone case.
Whoa.
You get a new case.
That's pretty cool. And it says Jinx on it. What is that?
I don't know.
What is it?
They're stickers. Wait, they're bookmarks.
Hold on.
I think they're
Here, wait,
bookmarks.
watch. This is a rocket. You take it apart and you can put, yeah, see, you can put the thing on it. It's a manual.
Oh, that's cool. Why is it all? I thought they were like. And look, they're phone stickers.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Whoa. I want this one to go on. Now let's see what's in here. Wait, is it a new phone? It's a new phone.
That's pretty cool.
How many dollars is this?
We'll talk about that in the full review video.
Oh, this is cool. Let me see that.
Ooh, it's got battery. Yeah. It's a League of Legends phone.
Oh my gosh.
So here we've got, let's take a look really quick at the case. Very nice, branded with Jinx. Looks really nice, really incognito, while still definitely being League of Legends branded. Very slim line case. Probably doesn't provide a ton of protection, but at least it's got those corners covered. Let's take a look at the back of the phone first. Absolutely beautiful. I love this. I love these colors. The pink and blue, the little blue accent on the camera. I think this looks absolutely incredible. We've got the Wild Rift icon there. Looks super cool. I love it. Really nice 6.5-inch screen. Actually, let's look at the rest. We've got the aluminum on the sides. We've got the little blue accents on the buttons, and then we've got engraved League of Legends branding. That is actually engraved. It's not stuck on there. That is engraved. You can feel the little grooves. Looks super nice. Nothing on this side. No accents on the buttons. Here's the top, and here's the bottom. We've got our speakers, SIM card tray, USB-C port. Nothing crazy there. I love the feel of this phone. So you can see when she first flies in, when I unlock my fingerprint, she flies away, and we've got our nice little background. We also have this theme, so you can see Jinx and Annie. And then when you unlock it with the fingerprint, kind of zooms out. We've got the little crystals there. Super fun themes. Cool. And then when you've got it plugged in, and then notifications, you obviously have the amazing looking LED ring all the way around the camera. Looks super cool. I just honestly can't believe how excited I am for this phone.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Remember to always click